How to recover Snapchat deleted snap. Recovering deleted Snapchat or snap in is difficult because Snapchat is designed to delete them automatically once they are viewed or expired. However, there are a few ways out. You might still find them depending on how they were saved. First of all, you could request your snap data. For that, you want to open up your Snapchat, press open the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner, then click on the gear icon. As you do this, you want to go ahead and look for my data. It's actually under my privacy and data over here. So you want to go to my data here. Then you just want to select the data you want to include. Ensure memory is toggled on if looking for those. So here you just want to make sure to select the memory section. Once you've selected that, you could tap submit. You will receive an email from Snapchat support with a link to download a zip file of your data as well. Next, what you also want to do is you could check your device storage and backup. So check the recently deleted albums in your Photos app or the trash folder in your Android gallery as well. So when you open up the Photos app on your device, you could then go to collections and you can find trash. You could locate it if you have it. So, and this way as well, you should be able to recover your Snapchat deleted snap. However, this is going to be quite difficult, so you could just give it a try and see if that works or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.